Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, everyone is welcome. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Gears of War 4 controller. With no further ado, let's get to it. Alright guys, there it is right here. The beautiful, gorgeous Gears of War 4. So checking this guy out on the front, it has a nice red color to it. Now the buttons feels really good, easy to press. It's not really hard to press down. The knobs feels really good because obviously it's brand new. And once again, you know, the buttons, the design on this controller is just fantastic, man. Like the guys that works at, I think, what, Microsoft or wherever the heck they work at, they know what they're doing. The skull, nice touch to it. Now the little scratch marks you see on the top right, now these are actual marks. It's like somebody grabbed a knife and literally, you know, marked them. Now on the back it has a darker color to it, and of course I have my rechargeable batteries because no way in hell I'll be replacing my batteries every month, of course, and I'll show my charging station later on. Now the whole top is black. The buttons on the top are black as well. Those marks are what really got the controller feeling really good. Now remember, on the back of the controller, I said it had a nice little rough to it. That's what I mean by that. It feels the same way. Take a look at this. Ooh. Take a look at this. Ooh. And of course the bottom. Alright guys, now that's it for the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below on any tips you guys might have on how to improve my editing skills, my reviewing skills, and so on. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys later.
Black Eye Speed.